की रुक करते हैं अगली खबर का। गोदरेज प्रॉपर्टी की भावी एमडी और सीईओ पिरोज शाह गोदरेज ने कहा है कि वो कंपनी को मार्केट लीडर बनाना चाहते हैं। गोदरेज के मुताबिक कंपनी कई नए प्रोडक्ट्स के लॉन्च की तैयारी कर रही है और 2012 में रियल एस्टेट सेक्टर के हालात बेहतर होंगे। पिरोज शाह ने बात की जी बिजनेस संवाददाता कुमार कार्तिकेय से।
जी बिजनेस के साथ खास बातचीत में आज हैं गोदरेज प्रॉपर्टीज के नए नियुक्त एमडी एंड सीईओ मिस्टर पिरोज शाह, जो कि 1 अप्रैल से चार्ज लेंगे। सो व्हाट विल बी योर प्रायोरिटीज फॉर गोदरेज प्रॉपर्टीज?
Well, great to be with you. I think, we'll have several priorities. We think there's fantastic growth opportunities available in the real estate sector today. Godrej Properties already now has a presence in 12 cities. So our long-term goal will be to make sure that we create ourselves as a leader in the real estate market in each of these individual cities. I think a very near-term priority for me will be to make sure that we speed up the launches of new projects and that we execute our projects very efficiently. So I think those are some of the things I'll be focused on initially.
How many new projects you are planning to launch in near term?
We've signed already in the first 9 months of the financial year 9 new deals for a total of 10 million square feet. We plan to launch most of that in this calendar year itself. We'll also have some older deals that will be launched. So we think the launch pipeline will be very robust for the next financial year, but I wouldn't like to comment on a specific number.
So what kind of challenges do you see in front of Indian real estate industry?
I think there's several challenges. 2011 has, of course, been a very difficult year for the sector. I think interest rates having risen as much as they have, economic reforms having largely been stalled, have all been challenging for the sector. That said, we are quite optimistic that 2012 is going to be a better year for Indian real estate. We think interest rates, as the RBI has indicated, are likely to start coming down now. We think economic reforms are much more likely once the state elections and budget are over with. And we think all of that will lead to a great improvement in sentiment. And as you know, real estate is a very sentiment-driven industry. And once sentiment starts to improve, we think the sector will do very well.
Thanks a lot, sir, for talking to us.
Thank you very much.